Oh, hi. Hey, Happy New Year. It is time to start taking down the Christmas decorations and start focusing on those New Year's resolutions if you haven't already blown them. It's also time to start working on a new year of business. My name is Ron Edwards. I'm with Big Feet Creations, and I'm a printer. I would like to invite you to LeTip at 11:30 Wednesday. No, pardon? What's LeTip? I'm so glad that you asked. LeTip is the greatest group of salespeople I've ever had. We're a network marketing group dedicated to passing leads. We call those tips. We genuinely enjoy each other's company, and we like helping each other's businesses. It's business with benefits. Last year, we passed over $500,000 of business to each other. That's about $30,000 per member. Not bad. Feel free to email me for login information. I'll be happy to provide it. This week we'll feature Chris Anders with Cloud9 Media as our showrunner. That means he'll be showing off his wares before the meeting begins and answering questions. Chris is the founder and CEO of Cloud9 Media, which specializes in disruptive marketing and strategies by leveraging the most modern and up-to-date forms of technology, trends, data, and AI. With these resources and assets on board, Chris can create novel and out-of-the-box ideas that are created on the value of making his clients the best in their industry, with a slogan of nightmares of average. Chris can't be anything less than the best, which means his clients have to be the best. A little later, after the meeting starts, Al Hewitt will be our speaker. Al is with Premier Nationwide Lending. Al has been in the mortgage and real estate business for more than 20 years. He's closed thousands of loans during this time and has become many of his clients' lender for life. His business has grown over the years by working with past client referrals and top real estate professionals in the marketplace. He's been named as one of D Magazine's best list mortgage professionals for 8 of the past 10 years, and also a Texas Monthly 5-star professional the last 9 years. He's been married for over 28 years and he has 3 kids. He'll be talking about 5 steps of the loan process and also the do's and don'ts while the loan is in process. Listen, make us your New Year's resolution. Log in with us this coming Wednesday and email me to find out how. Thanks for listening.